My name is Craig Steen, and I'm with JBI Distributors and JBI Services, and I'm the president and CEO. JBI is in the sanitation and disinfectant industry. We provide chemical in the mixture of it being a disinfectant and sanitizer. Not only a chemical that goes after viruses and bacteria that would be in the common food supply chain, such as E. coli, salmonella, but obviously most recently, our products are the COVID-19 approved and on the EPA list as we sit today. We've been extremely busy, yes. The core business is we started the company based in Red Oak about 3.5 years ago. And so we've been in the food supply. And when I say food supply industry, we provide, again, disinfectant and sanitizers for live animal production. And live animal production would be the raising of swine, poultry, and cattle. We know we're doing not only a justice in order to, let's say, get us all back into our lives. And I think all of us have come to realization, probably the day of rolling back to 2 months ago is maybe far off in our daily lives. I think we've all learned what PPE is, and none of us knew what that stood for probably 60 days ago. But it's a very good feeling. We'll be in our YMCA facility down in Red Oak here. We have a very nice YMCA facility, 30,000, and they're going to get ready to open on Monday. And we're going to be not only providing chemical for them, but assisting them with what that protocol is going to be. And that's probably one of the biggest, let's say, things to come to grips with in businesses is, what is that protocol? What do I need to think about? If I'm a retail operator, the credit card machine. If I'm a gas station, the gas nozzles. I mean, all those touch points that are susceptible to any type of virus or bacteria that could spread.